Hi friends, I'm back again. So I just went on about a 30-minute walk. The walk was wonderful, and now I'm back. Made a little eggies. I have my coffee. Just kidding, there's something weird floating in it. So we'll discover what that is. I have, ooh, hello. So, ooh. Hi guys. So I just wanted to share with you really quick a really yummy recipe I made with my Vitamix. Okay, what's going on? I'm back. You guys, somehow, thank God, I survived shopping. And I went and got a few things. I wasn't feeling all that great. So the thing about going shopping during I'll insert clip. But the thing about going shopping during this madness is it's just weird. Like there were lines and it was just like crazy. But so here's my shopping haul. I got a 10-day green smoothie, nutritious pea protein thingy. So, oh no. It's still recording. Oh, why do I break things? I'm gonna use my... You guys, it's still recording as it's like this thing has dropped in between the wedge of the oven and the wall, so it's like impossible. Let's see. Let's see if I can get it. That's like going fishing. Why do I have to be so interesting? Wait. Oh, here we go. I got you. Okay, cool. Hey, we're back. So I'll go through this quick so I don't drop anything. I haven't figured out exactly how I want to actually... Okay, we're good. Welcome back. I got a green smoothie, protein. What else? This whey protein is just like regular vanilla. It's vanilla. It says like natural flavor, which I have no idea what that means now. It's kind of nerve-wracking. I got CV, a must. I got iron because, you know, iron is important. My bougie self got oysters in a can, so maybe not bougie. Just it's 110% of let me see. It says 45% of your daily value of iron. And so I got that. I also got canned baby clams. I have no idea how I'm gonna cook yet, but when I make them, I'm telling you, I'm gonna include you on the whole thing, even if I break stuff. So I also got a bit of, maybe this is a little TMI, but during certain parts of the month, I need to boost my iron levels. I actually should be doing it throughout my entire, life, but whatever. So got, they had some sales at Sprouts, even though there was a huge long line. I got one of my oils that I've been wanting, and it was on sale. It was like half off. It's like they were trying to get rid of everything, like apocalyptic style. Then they iron, and I also got eucalyptus. I got soap, Method soap. I also got a toothbrush, fresh toothbrush, because you're supposed to replace it every 3 months. Remember that. And so yeah, that was my haul. Oh, I also forgot this. Also got a pillow potion, another essential oil. I went and put into my humidifier. So my meat game is up, my oyster game is up, my clam game is up, my essential oil game is up, my change game is up. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. I have to save this and actually pay bills. So yeah, all is well with that. Survived somehow. It was kind of weird in the stores. It was just eerie. And I'm just glad to be Hi everyone, so I wanted to make a quick video that talks about exactly how you should go grocery shopping during this crazy time and how to keep yourself safe. So one of the things I do is I wear, so maybe the top 4 things to keep yourself safe when you're out grocery shopping. First of all, before you leave your house, wash your hands thoroughly. You want to make sure that you're not introducing anything new to the crowd, because it's not just about keeping yourself safe, it's about keeping others safe too. We love everyone. So what I would say is when you go out, wash your hands completely. And then when you go out, make sure that you have, you know what? This may feel weird at first, and maybe this is contraindicated, but I think that it's safe to protect yourself. I'm not saying go out and buy a mask, but it's okay to have like a little scarf and wrap it around your nose and mouth. If you have to go out, really, number one, you should stay in. But if you have to go out and get groceries, then, you know, what are you gonna do? You have to go get your stuff. So wrap like a small little scarf around your nose and mouth to protect yourself, just in case people are coughing, which happens. You don't want to be coughed on. Number 2, take hand sanitizer with you, because when you're out and about, you can't really, you can't wash your hands anywhere. So you just have to be on the safe side. I have a small little tube of hand sanitizer, so when I go out and I'm touching stuff, I just use it until I get home so I can properly wash my hands.
Wash your hands, Kevin.
Number 3, when you go out, make sure to bring your own bag. If you can avoid touching carts or other people's, you know, bags or buggies, just bring your own stuff. That'll save you, you know,
no touching, no touching,
less touching. Number 4, this is probably going to be a lot more than 4, but I'll try and keep it short. Number 4, I would say that it's going to be really important to keep your distance. Keep your distance from people.
Now, keep your distance.
People might like sneak behind you in line. Just try and move up and try and keep some distance as much. You don't have to be mean about it, you know, just make it like make space between you and people. According to the CDC, they say about 6 feet distance from other people, and the reason is because they believe that's how far droplets can spread. So you don't want to expose yourself in that way. So keep your distance between people. Try and go to as few grocery stores as possible. I would limit your entire shopping to no more than 2 stores, because the more places you go out, the more exposed you are, and that's not a good sign. So, but you can still have fun. You can have a good time. Get the things that you need. Go to your favorite places. There may be a line. What I'm experiencing in San Diego is there are long lines. I waited maybe 45 minutes to get into Sprouts, and it was just like, it was like waiting to get into a concert or like a show. It was like, I just want to go grocery shopping. Toilet paper. It's been a week since I've been able to find toilet paper, by the way. So all you people hoarding, please stop it.
Hoarding newspapers is weird.
There's enough for everyone.
Please stop.
Please stop hoarding toilet paper. Please stop. Please stop. Stop it. Please stop. Anyway, hopefully I got my message across. Okay, so so that's it. I had a pretty good grocery haul. You guys stay safe out there. It was good chatting with you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Take time to meditate, to pray, to do whatever you guys do to keep yourself grounded. One thing I'm gonna do for myself is I got a couple, you know, oh yeah, I got my iron supplement. I have this Pillow Talk or Pillow Potion. Pillow Talk.
Switching to Pillow Talk mode.
Eucalyptus, and I have vanilla. I'm going to mix these essential oils. I'm going to put it in my humidifier, and I'm just going to make myself comfortable. And I'm going to make my area clean. And I'm just going to try and just do some deep breathing and meditation and enjoy my time during quarantine. So yes, guys, all is well. Oh, also I found the cutest little cups. Aren't these so cute? So cute. I got 3 of them. Where are they from? So thank you so much for tuning in to yet another installment of Let's Be Friends. I don't know what to call these segments, but if you're enjoying them, I'm gonna make more content. I'm gonna try and help out vlog style, you know, until we can figure out the peace and the normalness of, until we can get back to normal, which I am highly looking forward to, but it looks like it's gonna be a minute, so hang in there. You guys, love you, bye.
Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye.